Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay, guys, today I am back to share with you another powerful option, another powerful trick on the 1xbet that is going to really help you to win your bet in a very easy way, guys. Okay, guys, this trick I'm going to share you, it will help you only if you watch the full video so that you can understand how I'm selecting the trick, so that you can select the same way, guys. Okay, so those of you that are new here, okay, just know that here I always share some new tricks or new bet slip that is going to help you to win our bet in a very easy way, guys. Okay, so if you are new here, the only way to never miss any of my trick on the 1xbet is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and above all, share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks, guys. Okay guys, so guys, as you know, okay, those of you who really wanted to secure their account, those of you who don't want any problem on the 1xbet platform, okay, so that whatever the amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue. The best way to do that, guys, okay, is to subscribe, is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay guys, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code will allow you to secure their account. It's the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, this promo code will secure your account. Whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue, guys. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, and also this promo code will double the money you put on your account every Friday, guys. Okay, it is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, so those of you that are not registered under this promo code, please delete your account and create a fresh and new account by using this promo code, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Let's go. Okay, let's come to Europa League. Okay, then let's take this match. Okay, the trick I'm going to share with you guys, okay, the trick I'm going to share with you work more on this type of matches. Okay, we can see here that, okay, the two teams have almost the same level. Okay, they have almost the same level, and it shows that this match is not going to be very easy match. Okay, it is going to be a very hard match. Okay, so this type of matches that the trick work more. Okay guys, okay, another person can just also choose this match. Okay, is also good. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand our trick work more on this type of matches. Okay, so let's click on the match. Okay, and then let's calm down. Okay, let's calm down. Our option is down, guys. Okay, the option is down, guys. Where is the option? Okay, this is our option. Okay, this is a very powerful option that is good, that can really help us, guys. Okay, so this is our option, guys. Okay, so let's select it. Let's click on the option, draw in at least one match. Okay, this option, what's the meaning of this option here? Draw in at least one half. Okay, what is the meaning of this option here? 1xbet is asking us if you are sure that that at least there will be a draw in at least one half. Okay, if you select yes, okay, but please, we don't care about this here. Okay, no is not our option. We are going to target yes. Okay, this option here, our target is that at least in the first half or second half, at least in one of those two halves, at least the two teams play draw. Okay, if the two teams play 1-1 or nil on the first half, we win our bet. If they didn't play draw at the first half but they play draw in the second half, we also win our bet. Okay, and as we can see, this match, Okay, this match is going to be a very, very hard match because the two teams have almost the same level. Okay, you can see that the two teams have almost the same level. Okay, and also now to confirm this streak, okay, what you are going to do now, you are going to SofaScore and confirm this streak by checking their just last previous match. Okay, let's go to SofaScore, guys. Okay, and this is the same match here. Okay, the same match here. Okay, then let's select it and let's come to their previous match here. Okay, let's come down. Okay, this is their previous match. Okay, just 2 weeks ago, they played just 2 weeks ago, as you can see, and they played 2-1. Okay, and as you can see here, in the second half they played draw. Okay, they played draw on the second half. Okay, this means if on this match you bet on draw on one of the halves, it means that in this match you won your bet. Okay, because here at the first half they didn't play draw. Okay, they play 1-0 on the first half. Okay, but at the second half they played draw. Okay, 1-1. Okay, it means that if the person who will play draw in at least one of the person who selected our option before this match start, the person who is going to win his bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, as you can see, the option is work in their previous match in just 2 weeks ago. Okay, and I'm also sure the same option is going to work again in this match. Okay, because the match is going to be a very, very hard match. Okay, so guys, you can just target this trick. Okay, find 2 matches who look exactly like this and win your bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, tell me what you think on the comment. Okay, and also share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks on 1xBet. Okay guys, please take care of yourself and have a nice day, guys. I love you guys. Ciao.